Welcome back. Dale Myers with Student Advanced. And in this video, we're going to be discussing ratios. What are ratios? The best ratio definition for math and the simplest. Now, so first, let me put your mind at ease. You've already been talking about ratios in your everyday life. Ratios are simply a way to show relationships among two or more different things. That's it. A way to show how numbers are related together. For example, let's say you went to visit a farm. On that farm, we had 4 cows and 1 duck. So there are different ways we can show the relationship or write that relationship, the ratio between cows and ducks. So we could say there are 4 cows for every 1 duck. We write it like that. So again, remember I said our math definition of ratios was that it shows relationships between 2 or more items, right? Well, this is a 4-to-1 ratio, and we could write it as 4-to-1. Simple enough. You've done that before. We could also choose to write it as a fraction. 4/1, which means 4 cows for every 1 duck. You've done that before, right? Yes, you may say that looks like a fraction. Well, yes, you can write a ratio as a fraction. Now, we're going to go in more detail in another video, but we can also write this as a decimal. In this case, this one here is like 4. Well, there's not really a decimal here. It's just 4.00. Actually, so what we can actually do, so let's go back for one step. In addition to showing how these numbers are related to each other, what we can actually do, we can say, how many total animals do we have? We can talk about the numbers, the individuals related to the totals. So if we have 4 plus 1, we have a total of 5, right? So if we have 5 total, how many of those are cows? Well, we have a 4 out of 5 are cows. So 4 cows out of 5 animals, right? That's that fraction we were talking about. We could have written that as 4.5 as well. Well, if you did the math and did division, old school division, 4 divided by 5, you would get 0.8. That's the way you can, this is the same, 4 out of 5 is the same as decimals, 0.8. If that sounds funny to you, that means you need to go back and review old school division, right? And finally, we can express this number as a percent. 4 out of 5, 0.8 is the same as 80%. So the cows represent 80% of the total animals. What about the ducks? The ducks, well, I have 1 out of 5 are ducks. So I can write that as a fraction, 1 out of 5. Okay? I could write that as a decimal. If I do the math here, 5 goes into 1, you would get 0.2 times. So this is written as a decimal. And finally, this is actually 20%. If that's a little foggy to you, don't worry. A video is going to pop up right about now, and it'll be a link. You can go and I'll go in more detail about how to write ratios. So again, the simplest math definition of ratios is just a way to express 2 or more numbers. And I did say more because what if you had 3 goats? It would now be a 4-to-1-to-3 ratio. And if I was talking about the ratio of cows now to animals, well, 4 of them are cows. We have a total of 4 plus 1 plus 3 is 8. So now we're talking about a 4-to-8 ratio. And we would actually simplify that, all right? But just want to show you, you can also do this for more than 2 things that you're dealing with. And again, you've been dealing with this your entire life so far. We're going to go down that road. Again, thank you for watching. What is a ratio, right? If you need more help, go to studentadvanced.com. We have some extra worksheets, some practice, or again, just watch that video that's around here somewhere. And my name is Dale Myers with Student Advanced. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon. Take care.